Today at White Coast Marine is pretty scary because we've spent the last 5 years looking after the tube on the Blue Dolphin. Today Jose's over there pulling it off. Let's go and have a look at him. Oh dear. Oh, that looks like a lot of work, Jose. You need some help? Okay, so here we go. We've got the rub strip off already. Now we've got to get this whole tube off the boat, all the way around. And we're going to put a new one on. Okay, now that really is scary. Jose is taking a knife to the tube. He's cutting the dolphin up. Oh my goodness. Now he's ripping the dolphin. Oh my goodness.
It's down, I'm sorry.
Jose, what are you doing to my boat? Oh my god. Okay, well, we have to check back in. I can't believe I'm about to do this. Jose's giving me a sharp knife. I'm going to put it in there. And I'm going to cut my boat wide open, all the way down the side. I've spent 5 years looking after this tube. It feels very alien to be damaging it. Here goes. Ready? Go! Oh my god! Oh my god! What am I doing? That's it. She's done. Jose, look at that.
Fun, huh?
There's tears in my eyes. You can't see this, but well, time for a new one. So there she is. One very naked looking Blue Dolphin. He's not particularly blue at the moment. We've got a lot of work to do. So whilst the tubes are off, I'm going to service the engine again. I'm going to clean the hull, possibly anti-foul it. We're going to completely rewire everything. I'm going to replace the navigation lights, put some nice new LED ones on there, with everything that's necessary. I'm going to rewire that helm, rebuild the helm probably, maybe put a new fascia plate on it. And we're going to clean and polish everything. It'll be like a brand new boat when she's done. But right now, Blue Dolphin is looking a little bit sorry for herself.